and welcome to Travel and Cook with Shweta. And in today's video, I will be showing you what do the cabin crew actually carry in their bags. Have you ever wondered? Sometimes I'm sure you must have wondered, what do they actually carry in their bags? So today, I will be telling you what do we actually carry. So stay tuned. So we have three kind of bags. One is handbag, second one is cabin bag, and third one is the suitcase. Suitcase is for layovers where we go outstation for a day or even for a week. So when we are away, we need to have that bag because that bag is mandatory. If we are going for turnarounds, let's say I'm going to India and coming back. So what I need to carry is this and my trolley bag. So I am gonna show you what do I have in this bag. Let's get started. I'm quite excited to do this video. Honestly, I'm sure you are excited too. So stay tuned. So I'm gonna show you what's in my handbag. Let's open this bag. It has a lot of compartments in there. So let's get started. The first and the foremost thing is this folder. Without this folder, I cannot go on any of my flights. It has all the documents that's needed for the flight. So this one is the face shield that I carry with me all the time. This is for medical emergencies. So this little pouch in here has everything. I'm going to show you what's inside this pouch. It has a lot of stuff, so stay tuned, guys. The first one is my face mist, because your skin gets dehydrated a lot. That's why you will see a lot of cabin crew carrying different products, because it is needed at 30,000-40,000 feet. Your skin gets dried up a lot. So this is the face mist. So whenever I feel sleepy, dried, just spray it on and that's it. Okay, so the second one is this nail remover pads. Basically, you don't have to carry a nail remover and a cotton pad. This is 2-in-1, and you just carry this tiny thingy and you're good to go in case if I have to remove my nail paint if it's chipped and stuff. Then I have this is from Spa Salon. It's from Sri Lanka and I absolutely love it. This is lavender and it's a hand cream. Then a pack of tissue. Then I have a cologne with me. It's good to stay fresh and spray whenever it's needed. Then I have my nail paint in case if I need a touch-up. Then I have vitamin C. I absolutely love it. Vitamin C is a must in my bag, because sometimes you feel sick on board, sometimes your colleagues, they are feeling sick on board, and it's so easy to catch cold in the aircraft. So this is a must for me. This always stays in my bag. Then I have a lip balm. I have another lip balm which is red in color, because I wear red lipstick. So just in case if I want to quickly go on my lipstick, I use this one. Then I have cuticle oil. I have all sorts of creams and oils and everything to keep myself moisturized. Then I have this lipstick. This is a tiny lipstick, a miniature of Sephora. I love this lipstick. It stays on forever. You eat, you drink, it stays on for hours and hours. So this is the lipstick that I use, and I have it in all the bags, and maybe extra. I always tend to keep extra lipstick because I tend to lose them a lot. I have this MAC lipstick, but I use this very rarely these days. Since the time I have been introduced to Sephora, I don't use MAC lipstick a lot. And then obviously I have this sewing kit. You never know, sometimes you might lose stuff and you need to just stitch it up quickly. Then I have few extra buttons of my uniform. I have it handy in case if I need it or my colleagues need it. I have it handy. And then this one is my favorite. This is the oil which has like all the spices in there. I got this from Thailand, and it's a menthol oil, basically like a balm to put you to sleep. So I have it with me all the time in case sometimes I get headache, and I just apply it. And if you have nasal congestion, this is my buddy. And that's all I had. I'm just gonna put everything in there. It's a lot of stuff, guys. We do carry a lot of stuff because we have to carry it. I cannot survive without these things. Let me be honest with you, I cannot. I won't be able to function. I need everything that I showed you right now. Okay, so this is done. I'll put this back. I have organized this in this pouch here so that it's all in one. I don't have to go through my bag because I hate that. Sometimes, you know, you throw stuff in your bag and you're all over the place, but you don't get that particular thing that you're looking for. Then I have obviously my compact mirror, so that if I have to see myself, look at my makeup, this is handy. Then I have pens, tons of pens, my lovely little nail file, and a marker. Marker is too, because when we go for our briefings, we do get a lot of paperwork, and sometimes it comes in handy just to mark the important stuff that you need to know, or sometimes you need to pass the information to your colleagues, and this comes in handy. So then I have my lovely tea bag here, and this one, the Samahan. All the Sri Lankan people out there, give me a thumbs up, like this video, because I absolutely love this. Whenever you feel like cold, cough, this is like a herbal tea, and I absolutely love it. Since the time I have come across this one, I'm telling you, I go around and I tell people feeling sick, let me give you this. So I have few extra packets in here. I have my sanitizer, then I have my headphones. It's all juggled up right now because I don't use it anymore. I'm at home. I have my ID. Of course, without ID, I cannot travel anywhere. I need to have my ID. Then a little pouch which has all the coins and money in there. Then I have these wipes. I always have wipes with me. You never know, you need it. Sometimes you need to clean up and freshen up, so this comes in handy. I have few chocolates. I always have sweets in my bag because I will tell you the truth, sometimes I feel nauseous after the flight, especially when I do a long night flight, and when I sit in the transport to come back home, I feel extremely nauseous. So that's why I always keep sweets and mints in my bag. I'm gonna put everything back in there so that I don't lose anything. Guys, if you go to Sri Lanka, please get me Samahan. Anyone, please. I'm running out of Samahan right now. Okay. So this tiny bag, I showed you what I had. This is all I had. So now let's go back to my trolley bag. I'm gonna show you what do I carry on the flights. Comment below if you are enjoying my video. This is the trolley bag. It's big. So let's start what's in my cabin bag. I'm gonna show you what's in my bag. So this is my laptop. I am senior on board, so I have to carry this company provided laptop because it has all the information about the flights, the procedures, the manuals, everything is in here. However, when we started flying, we used to carry big manuals with us, but not anymore, since we all are in this e-world, and in this day and age, nobody carries papers, so everything is in here and it's handy. Then, as I said, I was doing a lot of flights during coronavirus when it had just started, before it hit the peak. I made this bag, and then it has all the PPEs, gloves and mask and all of that. Let's close this. Now let me open this. This is a big compartment. It has everything. I'm gonna show you. Let's start from here. This is the stocking, just in case if I need it or my colleagues needs it on board. This is the stockings, and I always keep it with me. I have few back patches, the cold ones, the heaty ones, because sometimes you tend to get sick on board. You never know when it's an emergency and you need all of this stuff. I carry everything with me. In this one, it's all my essentials when it comes to my uniform. When we go on board, we do change, so this has all the essentials, which obviously there is no uniform in right now. We do have oven gloves as well because we need to heat up the food and stuff, so everything goes in here. Then I have in this one I have cabin shoes. So what happens is we wear heels when we go to work, but once we reach on board, we are supposed to be changing in our cabin shoes. So this is my cabin shoes. Okay, then I have this little tiny box. This is basically my power pack box. I'm gonna show you. I carry nuts. I always carry, oops, I dropped it. So I always carry nuts, guys, because sometimes you never know. You have to be prepared. Sometimes there is delay, and sometimes there is a delay even before you get on the aircraft and you don't have anything to eat. So I always carry this wherever I go. Then obviously my perfume, without which I cannot function. I need to smell good, I need to smell fresh, and I love perfumes, so I always carry one with me in here and one in my suitcase. Then in this lovely pouch here I have my shoe polish. Shoe polish, we carry it all the time because sometimes you get to work and you realize, oh my god, my shoe's not polished. So I always keep this with me and it's very handy. Then obviously, as you can see, I have mints. And in this pouch here I have all the wires, cables, adapters. It's in this pouch. I like to be organized, guys, because when you need stuff, it's easy to find it how I like it to be. That's why it's all in pouches and bags and all of that. So this lovely pouch here is my caffeine dose. It has all the coffees and teas and herbal teas, everything in here. Whenever I feel like coffees and teas, I just keep this very handy with me, and this is with me all the time. Now this last but not the least, this lovely pouch here. This lovely pouch is my first aid kit, which has all the I'm not going to open and show you to you, but it has all the possible medications that you can think about. It has eye drops, it has Vicks, it has cough and cold medication, diarrhea medication, because you know, you stay alone by yourself on layovers, on flights as well. You never know when you need it or when somebody else needs it. So I always carry all the medications with me, and that's it, I guess. This, and my bag is empty, as you can see. So I carry all of these items everywhere that I go. And if you want to know how I pack my suitcase every single time, please comment down below and I will be happy to do that for you as well. If you like my video, please go ahead, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care, guys. Bye bye. See you later.